Alrighty, so I had to shovel a lot of path. Be able to walk around so the dogs can go out. There's a shovel. That's how high it is. It's about chest length. It's a little tunnel. See, people are out there shoveling too. Busy, busy. How deep that car is. Oh, there's a car right here too. I shoveled all this. It's harder than it looks. It's my neighbor's BMW. Just a little path so the dogs can go out. This is where we usually come out from, the back steps. By the time I got to over here, I was already getting tired, so I'm just not going to worry about it. Shoveled just this enough to walk around and the dogs to do their colorful business. Those are our bikes. Paid $20 for them, so whatever. One of them was free. That's where I made my snow angel. Or snow beast, whatever you want to call it. Pura nieve. It's enfrente de la casa, in front of our house. See, there's our address right there. Puro blanco. There's a fence, el portón, la cerca digo. Porsche lleno de nieve. Oh yeah. Todavía no hay luz. We still don't have power, so we don't know when that's coming on. Sabrá Dios cuando venga otra vez. Mañana. Okay. We'll take some pictures.